we'll guide you through how to fix Gmail when it's not receiving your messages. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Once you're logged in, you'll need to check if your storage is full. Go to the bottom left corner of your Gmail page, and you'll see your storage usage. If it's almost full, you might need to delete some emails or purchase additional storage through Google One. Next, you should check your spam and trash folders to see if your messages are being redirected there. Sometimes important emails get accidentally marked as spam or moved to the trash. If you find important messages there, you can mark them as not spam or move them back to your inbox. Another thing to check is your filters and blocked addresses. Go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then click on See All Settings. Head over to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Make sure you haven't set up a filter that might be archiving or deleting emails. Also, ensure you haven't accidentally blocked any important senders. If everything looks fine there, check your forwarding settings under the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab to ensure your emails aren't being forwarded to another account without you realizing it. Finally, if you're using any third-party email clients, double-check that they're configured properly and that there aren't any connection issues. Sometimes, syncing issues with third-party apps can affect how you receive emails in your Gmail account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.